very short memory.
Sikhulekile ekhaya.
Skule leka.
Sikhulekile ekhaya.
Skule leka.
Yes, yes.
Skule leka.
Yes. And the
Ah. Yeah, he said it. You laugh like the Chinese woman.
Sinevakashi ezisuka eChina. I'm telling him because he's asking who are those who wants the attention, and he say it's the visitors from the China. Let's go closer. It's not.
Huh?
He's asking. He's
Hey?
asking who.
Why he looks like a Bajrao?
You were driven by the chief of the visit.
Oh, I'm so shocked. I know you. Is you that? Okay. Oh my God. Okay, I was like, oh my God, what's going on? Hello.
Is the chief is asking who are these people who wants to see the chief inside.
Who are?
Who are these people who want to see the chief inside? So you'll explain where you are, where you come from, your name and your tribe. Then that's it. Then I'll tell him.
So I'm Chinese.
Yes.
I come from US.
Yes.
And I come to study the culture.
Bathi bangabase China bahlala eMelika baze lapha kwaZulu ukuzofunda isiko lethu.
Batshele bangene ngaphakathi khona bezothola ukuphuzwayo.
He's asking you, he's welcoming you inside so you get something to drink because it's been a long way coming here, I believe, because you're coming from far. So let's go inside. And then we are inside. This is the mat. Ikansi.
Show her how to sit.
This is how we sit.
No, nada.
Yes. That's how women sit.
Cross leg.
Yes.